Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad 14 won't turn on, it could be due to a motherboard failure. This issue often arises from power surges, overheating, or simply age. If left unfixed, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new motherboard compatible with your Lenovo Ideapad 14. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. To safely open the device, turn it upside down and remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After you have removed the back panel, locate the motherboard. It is usually situated centrally and connected to various components. Before proceeding, disconnect the battery by unplugging the connector gently. This will prevent any electrical shorts during the repair. Next, identify the faulty motherboard. You can usually recognize it by checking for any signs of damage like burnt areas or bulging capacitors. If you're unsure, refer to the repair manual for your specific model. Carefully unscrew the motherboard from the chassis, noting where each screw comes from, as they may differ in size. When removing the motherboard, be mindful of any attached cables and connectors. You may need to gently disconnect these by pulling them straight out, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have the old motherboard out, take your new one and place it into the chassis, making sure all connectors align properly. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this can strip the threads. Reconnect the battery by plugging the connector back into its socket. Before closing the device, double-check all connections and ensure there are no leftover screws or components. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it carefully and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your Lenovo Ideapad 14 to verify that everything is functioning correctly. If all goes well, your laptop should boot up without issues. To prevent future motherboard failures, ensure your laptop has adequate ventilation to avoid overheating, and consider using a surge protector to safeguard against power surges. Regularly clean your device to remove dust that can cause overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.